But first, let's take a little tour of our new office. Let's bring this. And we'll play a little movie that I recorded. I understand that many of you are from New York, so this may not be anything that interesting to see where we are located, but we are in Chelsea. Chelsea, here's a Chelsea hotel, just a few blocks away. I remember being in Poland and listening to Janis Joplin and Leonard Cohen and the stories about their adventures in Chelsea Hotel. We are nearby many subway stations on 23rd and 28th Street. We are located near New Jersey Path. Here's the subway with E-train on the blue line, red line to the Upper West Side, orange line, F trains, and also trains from Upper East Side. Here's Long Island Railroad, where when you come out from Long Island Railroad, you come to the Empire State Building, a beautiful side, and then we turn right. This is Kasia walking with me to work, our daily commute, and we turn downtown. We pass Fashion Institute of Technology, and which is just 1 block away from us, and we arrive at the 26th Street. We're located between 6th Avenue and 7th Avenue on 26th Street. If you stand on 26th Street and you look uptown, you will go toward Empire State Building, toward Central Park, toward Times Square. And if you turn downtown and go there, you will see from 6th Avenue the beautiful Freedom Tower in the World Financial District. We're also located very close to Flatiron Building with wonderful Madison Park right nearby, where we invite clients to take a walk after the lessons. When you come for the individual session, you can spend a little time. Back to 26th Street. So that's our building. We are at 134 West 26th Street in Chelsea Arts Building. We're on the 2nd floor. These are our windows with the orange letters there, and our banner right above. And this banner was one of the things that when 18 years ago, when we first took place, I remember having a dream, that banner with the word Feldenkrais in New York City. So that's that. When you come up the elevator to 2nd floor, you will see the newly renovated space with the blue wall with the logo and the front desk. Here's a Smiley Wallace, wonderful. And his giraffe that he bought on the street nearby. It's an iconic giraffe. Here's our waiting room. Behind that column on the right, there is one private practice room, which is new, that we added. Then is the hallway with 6 private practice rooms. Private practice rooms look quite similar. This is room number 3, basically a table, chair, and the table is the main place for our work. It's a sacred place for our work, for individual work, called functional integration. Basically, all we need is a table and stool to provide meaningful work. This is another new room that Wallace called Persian room, which the name sticks now. Very simple surroundings. In terms of classes, you come down the hallway and you turn left to our classroom, to our studio for group classes. A number of the classes are hybrid, where we project on the wall Zoom participants. And we also have room for a small group of people to come for in-person classes. And the classes, again, Feldenkrais Method does not require any sophisticated equipment. All we need is floor and some padding. Here's our dear George, our skeleton, George, that's been with us for many decades now, an assistant teacher, a reliable teacher, and the basic blanket, the floor. All you need to thrive with the Feldenkrais method is this, just the blanket. Here is our group. I'm embarrassing them by videotaping them. They're confused. Here's Valerie, our physical therapist and Feldenkrais practitioner. Kasia. There is Marion and Wallace. There is also Janet that was not there with us at the day. And basically what makes us who we are is people who are trying to solve problems of movement, problems of health, trying to bring a meaningful learning to you. And of course, this is our George that is helping us too. So that's the little tour of our newly renovated office.